In this video, I'll show you how to preview and send a test email in Mailchimp before sending it to your audience. To begin, navigate to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on Create Email. Choose how you'd like to design your email. You can start from scratch, use a basic layout, select a pre-built template, or even use your own HTML code. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Choose your preferred template and customize it by editing the content until your email is ready. Once you're finished, click Send Test in the top right corner, just next to the Save and Exit option. Mailchimp may display suggestions to help optimize your email. You can review and apply these recommendations if you'd like, or simply continue by clicking Send Test. Finally, enter the email address where you'd like to receive the test email and click Send Test. You can then check your inbox to preview exactly how your email will look before sending it to your audience. And that's how you can preview and send a test email in Mailchimp.